Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with TZ&C, and to our new viewers. Today we're going to be making some shrimp in pineapple sauce. So we have here some dole, pineapple chunks. We have some rainforest seafood, cooked shrimp, the jumbo, and we have broccoli, about half pound of broccoli, and these are what we're going to be using today to prepare curry shrimp with broccoli. So first we have here rainforest cooked shrimp, and we're going to pour them into a container. You want to ensure that you thaw the shrimp out. It is cooked, but I am going to ensure that it is well done. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to go ahead and rinse it with some vinegar to minimize the rawness from it, and I'm going to season the shrimp. We'll soon come back. Guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you don't miss a video. So we're going to add a cork full of vinegar, right, to minimize the rawness from the shrimp. Then we're going to let it stay there for about 1 minute or 50 seconds to a minute. Then we're going to pour the water from the shrimp. Alright guys, so next, this is how the shrimp is looking after pouring the water from it. Guys, remember I said the shrimp cooked, that's what it said on the package. But I like it well done, so this is what I'm doing. This is my way of doing it. So these are the ingredients that we're going to be using to season the shrimp. That's the shrimp, and these are the ingredients we're working with. So we have here my favorite brand of curry, Better Pack, right? I love Better Pack curry, guys. Maggi all-purpose season, some salt, and we're going to add about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You don't want to add a lot, right? Guys, I'm a big fan of shrimp. I love shrimp. Well, first of all, I love me some seafood. I love seafood, guys, right? So if you want to see a seafood boil, please subscribe, turn on your notification button so you can be notified whenever I drop that video. If you want to see more seafood recipes as well, comment down below. So I'm going to now add the Maggi all-purpose season to the shrimp. So we're going to add about 1 teaspoon, not a lot, because you know we don't use the whole heap of season around here. Next, we had about 1 tablespoon of Better Pack curry, right? Afterwards, we're going to rub or massage the curry and everything that we just added, the curry, the Maggi all-purpose season, and the salt. Just rub it in. You can use our gloves if you prefer it that way. And this is how the curry shrimp is looking, well seasoned and ready to go. Guys, it is best to buy the jumbo shrimp other than buying the medium or the small. Okay, so next we're going to chop our carrots. Guys, I'm not the best at cutting vegetables, but I'm trying my best here. This is how they're looking. Right, you can cut them however you like them, but I prefer them this way. Next, I'm going to cut bell pepper or sweet pepper, but I'm not going to be using all of it, just a small piece, just like this. Just a small piece. You don't need the whole bell pepper, right? But if you love bell pepper, you can use a lot, or if you have a big family, you can use a lot. But this serving is just for 2, just a 2 serving. And we're going to repeat the process until we get all the bell peppers or sweet pepper cut. Right, this is how they are looking. Next, we're going to chop our scallion or green onions. You're going to chop them into small pieces, right? Also, we're going to cut our onion. So if you have white onions, you have yellow onions, you can use them. Or if you even have purple onions, you can go ahead and use your onions. They'll add the same flavor to the recipe. Next, you know we can't leave the Scotch bonnet pepper. The good old Scotch bonnet pepper, we can't leave it out. Whatever pepper you have, you can use it. Scotch bonnet pepper, fiery hot. So you're just going to use a few seeds from it. Just a little bit, not a lot, because I don't really like pepper. I want to enjoy. I want to dive into this curry shrimp in pineapple sauce. I don't want to eat too pepper. I can't. I want to enjoy this meal. Next, I have here ½ pound of broccoli. Okay, so for the broccoli, we're just going to separate each sections, right? So we're just pulling them apart into smaller pieces. I like them very small, guys. I don't like the big chunk of broccoli. So what I am going to do is, after removing them, I'm going to get my knife and then I'm going to cut them into half so that they can be smaller. I don't like the big chunk of broccoli, right? Just like this. So I just cut them into half. The ones that are bigger, I just cut them into half. Remove the excess. Just like that, guys. Alright. And if you don't have broccoli or you don't like broccoli, you can go ahead and use pak choy, or you can use cabbage, right? So you can use pak choy or cabbage if you don't like broccoli or you don't have that readily available. And this is how they are looking, right? Okay, guys, so next I'm just going to run some pipe water over the broccoli just to get rid of any dirt or excess particles or so that might be on it. And then we're going to boil the broccoli in some hot boiling water, guys. But if you have pak choy and cabbage, you can go ahead and steam the pak choy or the cabbage with the shrimp. So here we're going to add about a ¼ teaspoon of salt into the water. At this point, the water is not cold, guys. Not because it's not bubbling. It is hot, but it is not bubbling. So we're going to steam it for about 3 to 5 minutes because you don't want it too sagged. We want it crunchy, guys. You could also steam it with the shrimp, but I like to do it this way. So I'm going to boil it for about 3 to 5 minutes thereabout. Right? And you don't want to overcook the broccoli, guys. 5 minutes is enough. So while the broccoli is boiling, I'm just going to prepare the remaining vegetables. So here I have a piece of garlic. You might be wondering what I'm going to be using the garlic to do. So I cut it into small pieces or mince the garlic. If you have a garlic crusher, that's perfectly fine. We also have here our Irish potatoes. The Irish potatoes are very important in this recipe because it will help the thickening of the sauce, the thickening of the curry shrimp in the pineapple juice sauce. Next, I'm going to add some coconut oil. You want to add enough coconut oil that is sufficient to fry the shrimp. After adding the coconut oil, you're going to allow it to become hot. Then I'm going to transfer the minced garlic into the pot Why I like doing this? I like the flavor that the garlic brings or give off into the oil. So you're going to fry the garlic until it is golden brown. That time, guys, you know, say all of that flavor from the garlic is now into our oil, right? Alright guys, so to the fun part, we're going to transfer or pour the shrimp into the hot oil. Guys, if only you could smell that nice aroma from the burning garlic with the curry, and smells so nice. So we're just going to leave the shrimp there on medium to high flame, and we're just going to allow them to become crispy or to fry until they're golden brown on opposite sides, right? So we just have to leave them there, make them go on with themselves. Yes, guys, you see how when that burnt garlic combined with the coconut oil and the curry shrimp with that seasoned shrimp, guys, that succulent juicy flavor from the shrimp. What more can you do than try this recipe, guys? So this is how the shrimp is looking, right? Those on the corner are the burnt garlic. So this is how we want them. We want them very crispy, just like that one. Well done. So we flip them on the opposite sides, right, guys? So they are very crispy around the edges. So we're just turning them on the opposite side so they can be coated just the same. I like my shrimp well done, well done. So those are the burnt garlic. So we're just going to turn them on opposite sides and allow those sides to be cooked as well. I will leave the shrimp over there to cook on the opposite sides. This is our broccoli. I'm soon finished, guys, right? So it's almost done. You can just use your fork to pierce through the broccoli and it passes through easily. Then you know that the broccoli is cooked. So we're going to pour off the water from the broccoli, and this is how it is looking. You don't want to leave the broccoli into the water. Why? Because it is going to become soft, right? It's become too soft, and we don't want any soggy broccoli. We want our broccoli crunchy. Okay, so for the preparation of the curry shrimp in the pineapple juice, this is what we're using: Dole pineapple chunks, and we're going to pour it into a container. So this is our chunk pineapples or pineapple chunks. That is how it is looking, guys, right? So this is what we're going to be using to make the pineapple sauce for the curry shrimp. So we're going to pour the pineapple juice into a cup. So we have here 1 cup of pineapple juice, and we're going to leave the pineapple chunks into this container here. All right, guys, so we're getting into things now. So here is how the shrimp is looking. So they are looking very nice and juicy. So we're just going to take our sweet peppers or bell peppers or chopped scallion or green onions and our onion, pour them into the same frying pan, and we're just going to allow them to become fried. So we're gonna fry them until we get all that nice and juicy flavor from the vegetables into our curry shrimp, because you know we want that succulent flavor there from the season or the vegetables into our curry shrimp. So with these vegetables or bell peppers or scallions, green onions, carrots, they add this reggae vibes to our curry shrimp. It make it pot look colorful. Not only adding flavor, but it also enhance the color in the curry shrimp. So we're just going to continue to toss the vegetables and the shrimp until they are cooked. So cause we want that nice succulent flavor into our curry shrimp, guys. Them vegetables here, we need all of the flavor out of the vegetables in our curry shrimp, right? So you're just going to continue to toss the vegetables along with the curry shrimp. Look at them, guys. Very nice and crispy shrimp. Well done. If you like your shrimp well done, comment down below, or if you like it medium, comment down below and let me know what you prefer. We also went ahead and add the Irish potato to the shrimp. And what you're going to do now, you can just pour the remaining water from the season the shrimp. So the same container that you use to season your shrimp, you just pour about half cup of water, pour it into the pan, cover it, and allow the shrimp and the vegetables to steam. So you might be wondering, so what about the pineapples? Yes, so the pineapple juice, the 1 cup of pineapple juice, we're going to pour it into the pot, right? So this will give us our pineapple sauce, right? Because guys, all of this flavor lock and seal already. We done seal this flavor into our curry shrimp. So what we're going to do now is add the pineapple juice so we can make that pineapple sauce. So the pot is bubbling, guys. Yes. So what we're going to be doing now is turn our flame on medium and allow our sauce to thicken, because the purpose of the Irish potato is to act as a thickening aid. So the Irish potato will break off into the sauce and allow your sauce to become thicker. Afterwards, guys, for the pineapple chunks, we're going to add a few pineapple chunks. You can add based on your preference, but this is for a serving of 2. So we're not going to add a lot of pineapple chunks, just a few, right? Then we're also going to add our broccoli. Look at them, guys. So they are not soft, they are crunchy. So you want to ensure that you don't over steam your broccoli. So you want to make them crunchy. Why? Because you're going to steam or allow the curry shrimp to simmer for an additional 5 minutes after adding the broccoli, and they will become sagged or soft if you over steam or boil them before. So we're just going to allow the curry shrimp in the pineapple sauce to simmer down on medium flame, right? Look at it, guys. It smells so delicious. I wish you could smell that scallion, onion, the burnt garlic, and the curry, the pineapple juice. Guys, it is so mouth-watering. And here we have our delicious curry shrimp in pineapple sauce. Look at our broccoli. Look at our sexy shrimp. Colorful, guys, are reggae vibes. I do hope you enjoy this video. If you do, like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're watching this video and you haven't yet done so, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Want to check out more of our videos? Check these out.